Hello everyone, ladies and gentlemen, teacher and all my beloved friends. My name is Kimseak. I'm from level 5 at Command Intellectual Academy. Today, I'm so excited to be here to tell all of you one topic about. Actually, my topic is how to make a good friendship. I have 3 main points to tell all of you. First, listen to them. Second, get the fact. Third, be willing to make a tough call. So now let's start all together. First, listen to them. Try to understand the situation from your friend's point of view. Ask questions to get a sense of the problem or issue, but the main thing is to listen to them. Your friend wants advice. They may just want to talk so that they can work it out for themselves. Second, get the fact. If your friend has a medical or mental health issue, the good way to offer support is to learn about they've been with. Be interested through you care about them. And you plan to stick around no matter what's going on. Third, be willing to make a tough call. If you think your friend's safety is at risk, you need to act without their consent and get help. When you worry about how they react, remember that a good friend is care enough to step up, and that you're doing it to protect them from harm. Last but not least, before I end this presentation, I would like to drop all of you one quote from Mr. John Evelyn. He said that friendship is a golden thread that ties up the heart of all the world. In conclusion, I would like to say that a good friend is hard to find. That is all. Thank you for your listening and attention. Bye bye.